When you hear the name Rolls-Royce, you think of ultimate luxury, unmatched prestige, and flawless craftsmanship. But have you ever wondered, how are these million-dollar masterpieces actually made? From the drawing board to the final test drive, every Rolls-Royce is built with secrets of artistry and engineering that no other car company can match. Today, we're taking you inside the factory to uncover the step-by-step process of creating the world's most luxurious cars. The art of perfection, design and customization. The journey of every Rolls-Royce begins long before a single part is built. It starts with design, and at Rolls-Royce, design means limitless possibilities. Unlike ordinary car manufacturers, where buyers choose from a catalog, Rolls-Royce clients often sit down with a team of designers to bring their imagination to life. This process is known as bespoke customization, and it's what makes Rolls-Royce truly unique. Customers can select from 44,000 official paint colors, and if that isn't enough, Rolls-Royce will create a brand new shade just for them, often matched to personal items such as a favorite lipstick, fabric, or even a gemstone. This ensures that no two Rolls-Royce cars are ever alike. Inside the cabin, every detail is crafted with artistry. The leather upholstery is sourced from the finest hides, often from cattle raised at high altitudes where there are no mosquitoes, preventing even the smallest blemishes. Each piece of leather is hand-stitched, with seams so perfect they look machine-made. Yet it's all done by master artisans. Wood veneers are another hallmark of Rolls-Royce. Craftsmen spend weeks selecting, matching, and polishing rare woods so the grain flows seamlessly across panels, doors, and dashboards. Clients may choose exotic materials such as Macassar ebony, paldao, or even inlay custom marquetry designs that tell a personal story. One of the most magical touches is the Starlight headliner, a handcrafted ceiling embedded with thousands of fiber optic lights, arranged to mimic the night sky. Customers can request a constellation that reflects the stars on the night of their birth, or even a shooting star effect. In short, design and customization at Rolls-Royce is not about buying a car. It's about commissioning a personal work of art. Each decision, from color to stitching, transforms the vehicle into an extension of the owner's identity. This is why Rolls-Royce calls it the art of perfection. Stick around, more fascinating stories are coming your way. Handcrafted excellence, assembly by masters. Once the design is finalized, the vision moves to the Rolls-Royce factory in Goodwood, England, a place where modern technology meets centuries-old craftsmanship. Unlike mass-production car plants filled with robots, the Goodwood facility is remarkably quiet. That's because most of the work is done by hand, with artisans and engineers dedicating months to building just a single car. Every Rolls-Royce begins with a hand-built aluminum space frame, providing both strength and flexibility. The body is painted with a level of detail no other automaker can match. Each car receives up to 23 layers of paint and lacquer, applied and polished over several weeks. Skilled painters use feather-light strokes, and between each coat, the car is sanded by hand to achieve a mirror-like finish. The process alone can take up to 45 kilograms of paint, enough to cover an entire house. Inside the car, the attention to detail is even more breathtaking. The leather interior takes weeks to assemble. Only about 10 hides are selected for each vehicle, all hand-stitched by master craftspeople. Even the placement of stitches and the feel of the thread are carefully measured to maintain Rolls-Royce's flawless standards. For the wood veneers, craftsmen hand-select mirror-matched pieces, ensuring the grain flows seamlessly across the dashboard and doors. Some veneers even take years to source, using trees that are over a century old. Each panel is sanded and polished multiple times, creating a glossy surface that feels like glass to the touch. Another hallmark is the coach line, the fine hand-painted stripe running along the body of the car. Only one man in the world, Mark Court, is entrusted with this task. Using a single brush made of squirrel hair, he paints the line entirely freehand, with no tape or guides. One mistake means starting over, yet his steady hand has graced every Rolls-Royce for decades. Throughout the assembly, the Spirit of Ecstasy, the iconic hood ornament, is carefully mounted, symbolizing luxury and grace. Even this emblem can be customized, with finishes in gold, silver, crystal, or illuminated designs. What sets Rolls-Royce apart is that there is no assembly line rush. Each car takes around 6 months to build, and more than 60 skilled craftsmen and women contribute to its creation. It's not about speed, it's about mastery. This dedication ensures that every Rolls-Royce leaving Goodwood isn't just a car, it's a handcrafted masterpiece, touched by human skill at every stage. Keep watching for more mind-blowing insights. Engineering, power, and testing for perfection. Behind the elegance and artistry of a Rolls-Royce lies a heart of engineering genius. While the car's beauty is handcrafted, its performance is the result of precision science. At the Goodwood facility, every Rolls-Royce engine is hand-assembled, piece by piece, by expert engineers. There are no conveyor belts rushing the process. Each V12 engine is built with the utmost care to ensure both immense power and whisper-quiet operation. This is what creates the legendary magic carpet ride experience that Rolls-Royce is known for. The assembly of the powertrain is followed by countless mechanical inspections. Every moving part, from pistons to valves, is checked and rechecked before the engine ever meets the chassis. Once fitted, technicians fine-tune the car's suspension system to deliver perfect balance, ensuring that passengers glide smoothly, no matter the road conditions. Then comes rigorous testing. Each Rolls-Royce undergoes extreme trials in simulated environments and real-world conditions. Cars are tested in scorching deserts, icy Arctic roads, and winding European mountain passes to guarantee performance in any climate. Engineers listen for the faintest sound, feel for the smallest vibration, and analyze every detail. If something feels even slightly off, adjustments are made until perfection is achieved. The interior also undergoes inspection. Doors must close with the iconic Rolls-Royce whisper sound. Seats are tested for long-hour comfort, and the famous Starlight headliner is checked light by light. Even the smell of the leather interior is evaluated to ensure consistency with the Rolls-Royce standard. Finally, each car is test-driven by master engineers before being delivered. Only after it passes hundreds of inspections, from speed to silence, is a Rolls-Royce considered complete. The result is a vehicle that doesn't just transport you. It cocoons you in an experience of pure luxury. Rolls-Royce doesn't build cars for the masses. It builds them for individuals who demand perfection. And by combining handcrafted artistry with precision engineering, Rolls-Royce ensures that every vehicle is not just a machine, but a timeless symbol of excellence. And that's how a Rolls-Royce is born. Designed with imagination, built by hand, and tested to perfection. More than a car, it's a masterpiece of luxury. If you enjoyed this look inside Rolls-Royce, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more luxury secrets.